Today just happens to be something.
What is it?
National Hot Dog Day. Our favorite, Maple Leaf Top Dogs. Yeah. They will be on sale. And if they're not on sale, we're doing something wrong.
But, so if you watch this video 3 weeks from now, they might not be on sale.
Get your Top Dogs. No. July 17th.
This is why we don't do dates.
I know, sorry.
So
okay, whatever, just eat your hot dog.
Yeah.
It's always National Hot Dog Day.
Yeah.
As everybody knows, who watches our channel and knows me, what is my favorite food?
You like all food.
No! What's...
Hot dogs?
Yeah!
Yeah.
We're gonna make a fun summertime appetizer, a little twist.
Yeah.
What do you think we're doing with the ingredients that I've chosen?
Well, I see a jalapeno and I see cream cheese. So
Did I already say what we're doing?
You're making a popper. You're making a popper. Is the hot dog going inside or is...
The hot dog's going inside of that.
I can clear these.
Yes, you
So we're
clear
just
those.
taking the top off?
Yep. I love popping this, so.
Okay.
Woo! Now what though? They never really tell you what to do once you pop it. Okay, so pray for me. This is gonna go really good or really bad. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our cream cheese. We're going to put it in a bowl. So I'm mixing the shredded cheese in with the cream cheese. Okay, so I added a little bit of onion powder. You can do garlic powder. And so now you have like a cream cheese mixture. Cheddar cheese, all the cheese, very cheesy. If you're lactose intolerant, do something else.
I did a pretty good job, right?
You did such a good job, but you have to cut them in half.
So you want these cut in half?
Yes.
Like that?
Yeah. No! Okay, I'm gonna be gross.
Why?
Can I use my finger?
Sure. Is your hands clean?
Yes.
Good.
Ooh, this is gonna be good.
It does. It has things that are like meant to be good.
Yeah. Plop the dogs in their blankets.
Okay, this one's bigger one.
I like that. That's mine.
So I feel like it should go on the inside.
Oh, you do?
Don't you?
I don't know.
Okay,
Sure.
I got you.
Let's try it. See whose looks better. Wow. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a hit.
You're already predicting it?
Oh yeah.
Everybody likes crescent rolls.
Yeah.
Everyone likes cream cheese.
Who wouldn't like this?
Everybody likes cheddar cheese.
Yep.
Little seasoning, hot dog.
Yep.
It's all good. Oh, egg wash. How old are these eggs?
Did you check the date? Okay, we're dying.
They're eggs. They don't go bad.
That is like one thing that I think would 100% go bad. I love like a good buttery, flaky croissant.
Okay, I'll be back.
Where are you going? We're gonna pop these puppies in the oven. Get it? Haha. Dogs. Hot dogs. I'm turning into mom. Mom jokes. It's happening. Not actually. Starting rumors. Okay, we're gonna pop them in and I'm way too excited to eat them. The dog's already cooked. The croissant just has to puff up. Goodbye, my lover. I'm excited for these. How about them dogs?
These look great.
I'm like, this is,
You're
I know we
excited
ate a
about
lot
this?
of delicious food today, but this, okay, this is really, I'm
good.
making this for the next party I'm having.
This gets my Canadian summer food stamp of approval.
You know what the key is to this? Maple Leaf Top Dogs.
Maple Leaf Top Dogs.
They're called Top Dogs for a reason.
They are good.